Hello, this fruit you are seeing on the screen is called Baobab fruit or Adasonia digitata. It is a wonderful plant. The seed is useful in organic poultry farming. Watch and hear. Welcome to a special topic: natural poultry vaccine, step-by-step preparation and usage for beginners. Baobab fruit or Adasonia digitata, immune boosting powerhouse for poultry and livestock animals. This is another good video for you as a poultry farmer to boost the immunity of your poultry birds naturally without any form of synthetic at all. In today's video, we are going to review one of the most powerful and affordable natural immune booster for poultry farmers, Baobab fruit, also known as Adasonia digitata. This is a super fruit that is packed with medicinal properties that can help strengthen your birds, prevent major diseases, and boost productivity. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced poultry farmer, this poultry video guide will show you how to prepare and use Baobab fruit as a natural poultry vaccine and correct any issue in your poultry farm. At the same time, the most effective way to make sure that you don't lose any of your poultry birds. In this video, I will give you all the medicinal and nutritional value of Baobab fruit for poultry and livestock. I will start with the medicinal and nutritional value first. 1. Baobab fruit is rich in vitamin C, and the vitamin C in Baobab fruit is 6 times more than oranges. Vitamin C strengthens immunity, helps birds fight infections naturally. Vitamin C reduces stress during vaccine, heat, and transportation. So all these kind of stresses is reduced. Secondly, it is very high in natural antioxidants. Antioxidants that protect cells from disease-causing pathogens, reduces mortality in broilers, layers, and growers, and other poultry birds. It contains calcium, potassium, and magnesium. All these improves bones and strength. The strength of the bone of your poultry birds is strengthened and stronger to withstand any weight gain. It enhances eggshell quality for layers. Do you have laying birds in your farm? Are they laying soft shell egg? This supports it, and at the same time supports strong growth in broilers. It has natural probiotic that is good for the gut health of your poultry. It improves gut health and digestion. It enhances feed utilization and weight gain. It reduces cases of diarrhea, either watery diarrhea or any form of diarrhea at all. Antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties it has that helps control bacterial infections, reduces respiratory distress, support faster recovery from sickness of any kind. What are the step-by-step way of preparing Baobab natural poultry vaccine as immune booster? 1. The ingredients: 2 to 3 spoons of Baobab fruit pulp powder. You have to grind them into powder format, or fresh seed or fresh fruit of it dried and ground into powder. You have to dry it on the sun up to 98% or 97% to make sure it is properly dried. Then you grind it into powder. 1 liter of water is added. Either you warm it or you boil it, anyone. Then 1 teaspoon of honey is added. This gives extra energy and antimicrobial. Fresh original honey should be added to it. Then you mix it up together. Then what is the measure you need to give to your poultry birds? 2 to 3 spoons of Baobab powder that is mixed already with honey is served to your birds in water. Then you add extra 1 liter of water to dilute it and share to your poultry birds. Add 1 liter of warm water, not cold water, please. Share to your poultry. Stir it well. After adding it, make sure you turn it very well to make sure that it is properly mixed. Then you give it to your poultry birds. Another thing is, add honey if you have it. If you don't have honey, you can use molasses. Add 1 teaspoon of molasses and turn it properly. Then add extra warm water or hot water, anyone, up to 1 liter. Turn it well. You can as well boil it. If you don't want to add honey, you can still boil it very well. And once it is cold, you add extra water and serve to your poultry birds. How to use Baobab fruit immune booster as a natural vaccine for chicks 0 to 2 weeks. Give 150 to 250 ml per liter of drinking water. Then sieve 2 to 3 times weekly. Every week 2 to 3 times is good for them. It will boost the immunity and prevent any form of diseases outbreak at all. Now it helps to boost their immunity early and reduce early child or early chick mortality. That's early stage of mortality where you lose the birds that you will not even have anything to do with those birds at all. It will prevent it for you. Now for broilers, all stages of their life, give 250 ml per liter of water. Then serve 2 times weekly for immune boosting. Then for layers, give 200 to 250 ml per liter of water. It helps maintain immunity, reduce stress, and improve egg production. Now, during outbreak or stress, administer daily for 3 to 5 days consecutively. It is used to solve cold or heat stress. It's also used as vaccination period. It's used for disease exposures. It's used to cater for transport stress. All these are ways it is used to boost the immunity of your poultry birds. How can it prevent disease in poultry? 1, it strengthens immune system naturally. Birds develop strong resistance against common disease outbreak like Newcastle, coccidiosis, CROD, Salmonella, and E. coli. It destroys harmful bacteria. Its antimicrobial power helps the body of your poultry birds to fight infections before they spread. It detoxifies the body. It flushes out toxins from water or feed, reducing disease risk. It supports gut health. Good gut, stronger immunity, faster growth, and better feed conversion. It reduces oxidative stress. It helps birds calm down, and at the same time give them healthy looking during extreme heat or major weather changes. Do you want to boost the immunity of your poultry birds? Do you want zero mortality throughout your farm operation? This Baobab fruit juice is good for you. Baobab fruit is one of the most affordable and powerful natural immune booster. Every poultry farmer should use it because it strengthens immunity, boosts growth, and prevents deadly infections, reduce mortality, and at the same time improve overall flock performance. Whether you are raising birds, feather birds for egg or for meat or any other purpose, this natural and safe organic plant is good for you. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural poultry healthy guide. Please share, and give it a thumb up, please. It doesn't cost us money. Thumb up. And make sure you drop your comment on the comment section. If you have any question regarding this topic, drop it in the comment section. I will attend to you and I will attend to your questions. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next update and for the next video to be uploaded. For now, remember our Eco Boy Booster. I told you the Eco Boy Booster has over this particular breed, this particular seed. This is 100% organic, and this is the batch 2 of this Eco Boy Booster. This is made up of, the first batch is made up of 555. This is 999 organic extracts from different plants, both locally and imported ones are here. You can see it, fully fermented, and it serves your poultry birds. It can last for 4 years without any issue because it has beneficial microbes and it has food for them. There is food inside for them to eat for the next 4 years to protect your birds. This is healthy, eating healthy and feeding healthy to your poultry birds. No form of synthetic additive at all. It is all natural. Buy it now, and the price has come down. We are on promo now. We have removed 5,000 naira from the price, and we are also giving you free delivery to your location. Why not make use of it now? Do you want to start your own poultry farming by January? You can buy it now and keep. January, use it. It can last for 4 years for you. This is 5 liters, 50,000 naira with free delivery. Once 25 December passes, we'll go back to our 55,000 and you still pay for your way bill. Most of you will stay like that. Bye for now.